everyone, it's Robin. Welcome to my channel, The Robin's Nest. Today I have something super special in store for all you chocolate lovers. Today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to make your own chocolate fondant cake. And we're going to decorate it with some super simple hand-piped rosettes. So before we get started, don't forget to click that subscribe button and ring that bell. Now let's get into it. Alright, so I've baked, cooled, and leveled some 6-inch chocolate cakes, and I've trimmed this one down to about a 5-inch round. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to layer on our icing, and then we're going to stack them all up, and then we're going to put it in the fridge for a little while before we do our crumb coat to make it a little easier to work with. Alright, so that looks pretty centered. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put a skewer down to the center because I want it to firm up into the icing layer so my cake doesn't shift around when I put the icing on. Alright, let's get this into the fridge. Alright, now let's get our crumb coat done and we'll get this back in the fridge before we start doing our rosebuds. Alright, so we've chilled our cake, and the next thing that we're going to do is our rosettes. And as soon as we're done those, we're going to put it back in the fridge for a little while, because we want to get them nice and firm, so when we put on our final layer of icing, we don't mess them all up. That's not too bad. Now let's get this into the fridge. Okay, so we firmed up our flowers a bit. Now we're going to go ahead and do our final coat of icing. Now back into the fridge before we do our finishing touches. Alright, now that our cake is nice and chilled, we can finally add our final touches. I'm going to start with some leaves for the roses, and then I'm going to finish it off with some chocolate swirls and sprinkles. Alright, here it is. My chocolate icing was a little bit hard to work with, but I'm pretty happy with how it turned out, and I really hope you guys all like it too. If you did, don't forget to hit thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that bell. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.